Now, a force of 46,5 newtons is pulling block A of mass 5,2 kilograms. The block A is connected to block B of mass 2 kg by means of a massless cable inclined at 25 degrees to the horizontal. As shown in the diagram below, the kinetic frictional force experienced by block A and block B are 12 newtons and 5,1 newtons, respectively. Now draw a labeled free body diagram showing all the forces acting on block A while is it in motion. Now, just draw a free body diagram for block A, but ngathi kuyosisiza ukuthi sidraw ama-free body diagram for ama-block omabili, for both block A and block B. So ngapha singadila ngo-block B, ngapha sidila ngo-block A. So for block A, sine-applied force, sibe ne-force of gravity, sibe ne-normal force, sibe ne-frictional force, sibe ne-tension force at an angle. So leya frictional force leyana, asike leya tension force ikwi-angle, at an angle. So yona leli block leli, block A, uzwa udonswa u-block B, umdonsela le zansi, umdonsela le zansi. So yingakho-ke sine-tension kanjeya. So-ke siyiphi igama. This one is the tension force. This one is the frictional force. This one is normal force. This one is the applied force. This one is Fg. Nibuka umehluko-ke. Nibuka umehluko between lo naloya. So let iyakhuluma. Capital letter F, that is an applied force. Small letter f, that is a frictional force. So kufanele kube carefully ukuthi small letter f umeleni. So noma singashongo ukuthi FK laphaya, yo ngaze ngamosha. Noma singasoshongo ukuthi FK. Ngiyimosha le nto le. Kethi ngizama ukuyidraw kabusha. Sine-frictional force, ne-normal force, ne-applied force, ne-Fg, sine-tension. Okay, ngapha bese siba again sibe ne-free body diagram. So lo igama lakhe lo i-tension force. Masithanda singathi FT. So ngapha i-tension force at an angle kanjeya. Bese siba ne-normal force, sibe ne-frictional force, sibe no-Fg. So ngapha i-free body diagram yethu ikanjeya na. So this is Fg, this is normal force, this is frictional force, that is a tension force. Singayithathela ku-5 marks wakho. Now, state Newton's second law of motion in weight. When a net force acts on an object the object will accelerate in a direction of a net force with an acceleration that is directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Now, they say calculate the tension in the cable. So, bafuna i-tension kwi-cable. Ngenhlanhla-ke yethu sinikeziwe frictional force for block A u-12 newtons, frictional force for block B u-5,1 newtons. So asikho isidingo sokuthi si-calculate i-frictional force for both blocks. Nakhu-ke okunye abasinikeze khona noma kufanele sikwazi. Since i-tension yethu at an angle of 25 degrees, izoba ney'ngane eziwu-2, izoba nengane elibheke le, ibe nengane ebheke le. So le ngane le igama layo kuzoba u-F, skis noma singathi tension nje, singasho ukuthi FT. Singathi tension in X direction, le ngane le kuzoba i-tension in Y direction. Nalona futhi uzoba ney'ngane ey'mbili, lona singathi tension tension in X direction nakhona. Tension in X direction naloyana singathi yini? Tension in Y direction. So tension in X direction izolingana nobani? Izolingana ne-tension cos of an angle, 25 degrees. Naloyana futhi kuzoba tension in X direction izolingana ne-tension cos of 25 degrees. Lo bani bekufanele simthole tension in Y direction, bekuzoba i-tension sin of 25 degrees. So ziyingane-ke lezi-ke zika-tension T, iy'ngane ze-tension. Kubalulekile ukuthi sizazi. Kubalulekile ukuthi sizazi. Now, mhlambe singakuveza ukuthi kuqhamuka kanjani lokho. Uma umuntu enga-understand ukuthi siyithathaphi le nto le. Masikhuluma soccer tour. Sino-25 laphaya. Masithi adjacent over hypotenuse, that is car adjacent over hypotenuse, meaning cos of 25 is equal to adjacent tx hypotenuse u-t. So must times ngo-t on both sides u-tx izogcina ilingana no-t cos of 25. So ungayenza lento ungayiderive ngaso sonke isikhathi, but noma ungavele uyisebenzise uyibambe nje uthi okay, u-t in x direction u-t cos of 25 noma u-F kwesinye isikhathi uzoba i-force, F vele i-force le ukuthi tension force, kwesinye isikhathi kuzoba u-F nje oyimele. Nakhona F applied in x direction is equal to F applied times cos of theta. Now, okay, sesiyi-understand leyo. Esibuye-ke size ngapha. Fanele-ke sikhulumise le ndaba le ka-F-net. Ukuthi F-net is equal to MA. Now, i-object yethu iyaphi? Iyakwa-left. So, ukuya kwa-left sizothi kunjani? Sizothi ku-positive. La ukuya ngakhona i-system sithi ku-positive. ukuze si-avoid iy'nkinga ey'ningi. Sikhetha la kuya khona i-system ukuthi ku-positive. So, ama-forces ayakwa-right azoba positive, njenge-applied force laphaya. Applied force positive, minus ama-forces ayakwa-left, okuyi-frictional force, minus enye i-force yakwa-left, okuthi in x direction, kuzolingana nobani? No-ma. Now, i-system yethu ayi-move with a constant velocity, meaning iya-accelerator, yikho ukuthi acceleration asiyazi. This is applied force minus F minus sithe lona ubani uthi cos of 25 is equal to ma. Now, mase kukanjalo-ke ngithathe lo ngibeke laphaya. Okay, sesinga-substitute. Now, siyayazi applied force laphana ukuthi 46,5. Frictional force for block A sinikeziwe kuthi 12. I-tension asiyazi iyona esiyifunayo, kuzoba uthi cos of 25 is equal to i-mass sikhuluma ngo-block A 5,2 times acceleration esingayazi. Now, sesingakushaya lokho okuziyinamba lokho. So, u-46,5 minus 12 usinikeza 34,5 minus u-cos of 25 usinikeza bani? Mhlawumbe singambhala nje. Usinikeza u-0,906 t is equal to 5,2a. Okay. Mhlambe singayiyeka kanje. Mhlambe singayiyeka kanje sithi equation 1 masithanda siyiyeke kanje. Mawukuthi sikhona isidingo siyiqhubeke sizoyiqhubeka. Ake size ngapha ku-block B. Ngapha uyabhala ukuthi block A uhlukanise uthi ubudila no-block A. Into yakho nje ibe clear ibonakala. Ngapha sidila no-block B. Nakhona ku-block B i-focus yethu izoba kulama forces which are parallel to the surface. Okay. So F net is equal to ma. Now i-system yethu yakuphi? Yakwa-right, yakwa-right positive. I-force eyakwa-right la i-tension in x direction minus frictional force is equal to ma. So i-tension in x direction isishilo sathi kuzoba i-tension cos of 25 minus i-frictional force for block B u-5,1. 5,1 is equal to mass ka-block B u-2 times acceleration. Okay. Lona ngigcine ngalena ngimshayile ngathi 0,906 t minus 5,1 is equal to 2a. This is equation number 2. Okay. So, since kukanje, ngingasho ngingabahlanganisa. Equation 1 no-equation 2 ngabahlanganisa ngamabomu nje. Khona enye imethod ebengayenza ukwenza oyedwa abe yi-subject of the formula. So, bengenza u-t abe yi-subject of the formula ngidivide ngo-0,906 throughout. Bese ngithatha lokho okulingana no-t ngizoku-substitute kwenye yama-equation noma kulenye yama-equation. So, ngizothi-ke ake ngiwa-ede. Mhlambe ngisebenzise different color. Sathi plus sihlanganisa-ke 0,9060 minus 5,1 is equal to 2a. So sihlanganisa equation 1 no-equation 2. Uma uqhathanisa laphana noma ubuka, eh, loya o-positive uzokhanselana naloya o-negative ngoba bayalingana. Then after lapho okwa-left kuzokuhlanganisa kodwa, okwa-right kuzokuhlanganisa kodwa. So loya naloya, omunye u-positive, omunye u-negative, meaning u-34,5 minus 5,1 okuzosinikeza u-29,4. Ngapha kwa-right kuzoba u-7,2a. Ngithi u-2a plus 5,2a kosinikeza u-7,2a. Now we can divide by 7,2 on both sides. Acceleration izogcina ilingana nobani? 29 divided by 7,2 kuzoba u-4,08 3 meters per square second. Now thina equation ayisifunanga i-acceleration kodwa bathi asicalculate i-tension. So sesizokwenza njani-ke? Sesizoyo-substitute la khona kune-acceleration in one of the equation. So let's choose equation 2. La kune-acceleration khona sesizofaka bani? 4,083. Ngapha kuzoba 0,9060. Cela lo ukumwelisa ngale kuzoba plus 5,1 loya. Mangimwelisa ngimletha ngale kwesign kuzofika se-positive. Then futhi sengisele no 0,9060 elingana nobani? 2 into 4,083 plus 5,1 ngokunikeza lokho u-13,266 divided by 0,906 0,906 i-tension izolingana nobani? 0,906 i-tension ilingana no-14,64 newtons. So that is the tension obekufanele siyithole-ke kule question. Yeah. Khona nenye question ethi ayilandele mhlambe funa information. Ayikho. Now ngizosula-ke la. Okay. Lana-ke bathi, what change should be made to the angle 25 degrees between the cable and the horizontal to increase the frictional force between block B and the surface? Choose from increase, decrease, or remain the same. Or choose from increase or decrease, then explain. Now, or remain the same. bakuminimizele ukuthi u-wrong. Sothi ukhetha nje ey'ntweni ey'mbili, uku-increase noma uku-decrease bese uya-explain. So la fanele sichaze ukuthi ngabe uku-increase-isa kwethu i-angle noma ukuyi-decrease-isa kuzokwenza i-frictional force yenze njani? Okay. Okusho ukuthi ngoba u-remainder semengekho, kusho ukuthi ngempela ukuphazamisa le angle kuzoyi-affecta kuzoyi-affecta ngishandisile. No, ake ngenze kanje. Ake ngenze kanje. Ake ngisebenze ngo-block B. Oh, vele bakhuluma ngo-block B vele. Ake ngisebenze ngo-block B. So, ngizofuna uku-calculate-a. Since i-tension yethu sesiyayazi ukuthi i-tension ilingana no-14,637 newtons. Tension sesiyayazi. Ngizofuna uku-calculate-a i-normal force. Ngizofuna uku-calculate i-normal force. Before ngiku-calculate i-normal force, ngifuna uku-calculate-a i-tension. Tension in y direction. Kuzoba i-tension sine of 25. Lento kahle kahle ayidingi ukuthi uyi-calculate noma uyenze njani. So before ngiyisho ngifuna ukuthi siyiprove siyibone sonke. So la u-14,637 sine of 25. So 14,637 times sine of 25 kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba 6,185 newtons. Okay, sengifuna-ke u-FG. Ngicalculate FG. FG is equal to mg mass u-2 times 9,8, 19,6 newtons. Okay, la ngesicalculate i-normal force yethu. I-normal force, ama-force ayaphezulu siyawahlanganisa. Tension in y direction is equal to bani? Fg. So i-normal force izolingana no-Fg minus tension in y direction. U-Fg wethu u-19,6 lo ubani? U-6,185. Kuzophuma bani-ke? 19,6 minus 6,185. So kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba u-13,415 newtons. Okay, so i-normal force kungakashintshi lutho, kungakashintshi i-angle isawu-25, i-normal force yethu iwu-13. Ake sibukeke masi-calculate i-frictional force. Frictional force is equal to mu k times the normal force. Okusho ukuthi i-frictional force is directly proportional to what? To the normal force. Once normal force ya-increase, frictional force izo-increase. Now, provided mu k remain constant. Provided mu k uba constant. So ake sibukeke, angithi sisebenzise u-25 sathola u-6,8, lo 6,8 wazomayinaza laphaya. Ake sibukeke ukuthi ukuyi-decrease-isa i-angle yethu kuzokwenza ukuthi i-normal force iyenze njani? Iye phezulu ukhule lo 13 noma unciphe lo 13. Ukhumbule, once normal force yancipha, frictional force izoncipha. Once normal force yakhula, frictional force izokhula. ake siyi-decrease i-angle sibone ukuthi ukudecrease kwethi i-angle kuzokwenza inamba esizoyi-subtract-a la ibe ngakanani. Once le number le yabankulu le esizoyi-subtract-a la izokwenza ukuthi i-normal force ibe ncane. Once i-normal force yancane, frictional force izoba ncane. So, mhlawumbe ake sisebenzise 14,637 times sine of ngesisebenzise nje u-15 degrees ngamabomu. Sibone ukuthi inamba esizoyithola 14,637 times times sine of 15 kuzosikhiphela u-3,788. So, shuthi esikhundleni sokuthi besizo-subtract u-6 comma something sesiyo-subtract-a bani laphaya u-3 comma something. So 19,6 minus 3,788 kuzosinikeza bani u-15. So i-normal force yethu entsha izoba ubani? Izoba u-15,8 newtons. Okay, uma i-angle siyi-decrease-sile yaba u-15, i-normal force yethu kukhuphukile from 13 yaba u-15. Si-decrease i-angle kwa-increase normal force. Ukhumbuleke, uku-increase kwe-normal force, uku-increase kwe-frictional force. Sibukeke la. What change should be made between the cable and the horizontal to increase the frictional force? Should fanele siyi-decrease. Ngithi yabo? Bathi iluphi ushintsho esingalenza kwi-angle ukuze si-increase i-frictional force. Uyabona ukuthi siyi-decrease-sile i-angle from 25 yaya ku-15. Inamba esiyitholile sizoyi-subtract-a laphaya ku-FG yancipha yasuka from ku-6 yaya ku-3. So inamba esisiyi-subtract-a laphaya iseyincane yenza ukuthi i-normal force yenze njani? Ibe nkulu. So once i-normal force yankulu i-frictional force yenza njani? Iba nkulu. So ngokwale case le ngathi ungayiprova njalo lento lena ngoba sometimes iyashintsha phela. Okay, so uku-decrease i-angle kuzokwenza ukuthi inakhuzana i-normal force i-increase. Uku-increase kwe-normal force kuzokwenza ukuthi i-frictional force yenze njani? I-increase. So nansi into okufanele uyibhale kahle kahle. Sengilande kude. But ezinye izinto ngathi singayiveza nje ukuthi size sibhale sichaze ziqhamukaphi. Okay, uzokhetha ubani? U-decrease. Mase umkhethe u-decrease bese yasho ukuthi the normal force will increase. Then, therefore, the frictional force will also increase. Yeah, blunt also issue. Normal forces will increase, frictional force will increase. Ngobani? Sunga-add-a ngibatsakele ukuthi frictional force is directly proportional to normal force. Any change ezokwenza ukuthi normal force increase izo-increase i-frictional force. Any change ezokwenza ukuthi normal force decrease izo-decrease i-frictional force. Okay. Now, the mass of the radius, uh, the mass and the radius of Mars are approximately 6,39 times 10 to the power of 23 and 3,39 times 10 to the power of 6 meters, uh, respectively. Calculate the gravitational acceleration of mass. Now, they want the gravitational acceleration. Iphi? Gravitational acceleration. Formula yakhona iphi? Gravitational acceleration. Nansiya iformula yakhona, ne? Nansiya. Oh, sebenzisa lesi. So they want the gravitational acceleration. G. Eh, inakhuzana. I-mass le. Mass. Ngathi ungayikopisha njengoba injalo formula. All over R squared. Then uG lo sinaye la. Eh, uG sinaye constant u6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11. Now they want us to calculate the radius as case the gravitational acceleration of G. So i-mass lapha i-mass basinikezile nangu M, i-radius basinikezile ngu-R. So i-mass ubani 6,39 times 10 to the power of 23, radius 3,39 times 10 to the power of 6. Singakhohlwa squared. Then acceleration yethu. Acceleration is measured in meters per square second. Ngaso sonke isikhathi. So kuzoba 6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11. 6,39 times 10 to the power of 23. 3,39 times 10 to the power of 6 squared. So logs over 3,708 times 10. Oh, ngisengisho into, okay, kuzoba 3,08. Mhlawumbe singathi 7 sekuphelele.